Thank you for your time. The future is the result of studio efforts. Every small step we take, every effort we make, from step to greater success. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, the honorable judge and the audience. Broiler chicken farming plays a crucial role in the global food industry by supplying chicken meat as the primary source of animal protein. According to projections by the Agricultural Data and Information System Center for chicken meat consumption from 2022 until 2026, demand for chicken meat continues to increase annually. Consequently, the health and welfare to broiler chicken must be prioritized to ensure optimal production. Enhancing poultry housing system is essential to address existing challenges. Optimizing the housing system not only impacts livestock health, but also their welfare, with the aim of improving productivity and meat quality.
Based on the background that has been described, several problems arise from the impact of broiler farming both in terms of the environment and livestock. The first of which is related to uncontrolled ammonia gas production, followed by comfort and stress level in broiler and suboptimal productivity. Furthermore, the aim is to provide solution to this problem in effort to improve the productivity, health, and sustainability of broiler farming. And then ammonia gas can find in broiler cages. Ammonia consists on one nitrogen atom and three hydrogen atom, all of which are bound to a nitrogen atom who have many bad effects to broiler comfort and production of broiler. According to research from King et al. 2021, ammonia production in closed broiler cage can cause bad effects like oxidative stress, which affect to meat quality. And many other research, according to research from Giustiani 2021, exposed ammonia in 500 until 2500 will cause death in broiler. There are case pain, pulmonary edema, and bronchospasm. According to research from Busten and Pujirahaju 2018, in respiratory tract, ammonia can cause health problems like snot disease.
Analyzing this fact and problem, the right solution is needed to improve animal health while supporting the principle of animal welfare on broiler farm. I am Panggi Hamal, and my team Adevia Sananda, Noah Praditya Rahmania, and Hendrik Prasetyo, 5 young innovators of this technology from University of Brawijaya. Broadly present, BROMAS, Broiler Ammonia Monitoring and Smart System, an IoT-based application model to detect and control ammonia gas emission in cage manner to improve broiler comfort. The implementation of IoT through the BROMAS system in broiler farm that have good environmental management allow automatic monitoring of air quality so that ammonia level can be controlled more effectively. With real-time monitoring and notification feature, BROMAS help farm maintain the environmental condition of the cage according to animal welfare standard, which support the optimal health of broiler and reduce stress due to exposure to harmful gases.
In developing BROMAS system, there are several important components that play a role in detecting and monitoring environment conditions in broiler cages in real time. These components include the MQ135 sensor to detect ammonia gas, the DST11 sensor to measure temperature and humidity, the sensor node as a data processing center, and the IoT gateway to send data to the cloud. The BROMAS system design is designed to integrate air quality in broiler cages in real time, from the integration of various sensors, IoT gateway, and cloud platform connected to an online application, so that farmer can easily access data on the cage environment to maintain livestock health. The sensor used are MQ135 sensor as the main sensor to detect ammonia gas or NH3 and other harmful gases such as NOx, alcohol, benzol, smoke or CO, and CO2 compound. Then the DST11 sensor will measure the temperature and humidity of the environment in real time. This sensor will provide analog data on ammonia concentration, temperature, and humidity, which will be translated into digital form by the microcontroller. The sensor nodes as a microcontroller or data processor from the MQ135 and DST11 sensor. This microcontroller will convert analog data from the MQ135 sensor into digital data, manage temperature and humidity data from DST11 sensor, and send it to the IoT gateway. In addition, the sensor node can monitoring ammonia level in real time and stores temperature and humidity data from the ST11 sensor. When ammonia level exceeds the specified safe limit, the system will send a notification to the BROMAS application. The IoT gateway serves as a link between the sensor nodes and the cloud server, This gateway collects data from the microcontroller and send it to the cloud periodically for analysis and storage. The data received from the cloud is visualized in the form of graphic and table. The data from the sensor is displayed through an Android or iOS-based application interface in an easy-to-understand form. The user will receive an automatic notification if the ammonia level exceeds the threshold.
The next is design concept, Bromas application. The interface of the application is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it easy to operate the firmware without the needed from specialized technical skill. Data collected from sensors such as ammonia level, temperature, and humidity are displayed in informative yet easy to understand graph and table. This data visualization not only facilitates real-time monitoring but also enable correlation analysis between various environmental parameters such as the relationship between temperature and humidity in ammonia level. When opening the application, will display some data among other profile of the farmer, weather forecast, humidity level of check, display temperature data on the check, and actual ammonia data feature show ammonia data display feature on the cake. When pressing the actual ammonia data feature, some ammonia data will be displayed. Next. This ammonia data is displayed in several blocks in the cake, where the broiler cake has been divided into 6 blocks. Each block has a sensor that will be displayed in the application. Ammonia data in the application will be displayed with color indicator on the block that have been divided. Green indicator show ammonia data in normal condition. Yellow indication show ammonia data in medium condition, and the red indicator show ammonia data in high level.
Bromas is a user-friendly IoT-based application developed to address ammonia emission in broiler production, which can negatively impact livestock health and productivity. Equipped with ammonia temperature and humidity sensors, Bromas gathers and processes data via an IoT gateway, storing it in the cloud for real-time monitoring by streamlining maintenance and promoting animal welfare. Bromas help broiler farms maximize production, supporting the growing global demand for sustainable chicken meat. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.